Hey guys, what is up everybody? Welcome to a new video. In this video, let's talk about finance because from my channel analytics, I can see that you really like watching videos about payment system related to your websites, payment systems related to a business, or simply how to use and what systems to use for your personal finance. And in this video, I just want to share with you my experience using Wise, which also known as TransferWise in the past, because it's kind of like now popular to use those virtual banks such as TransferWise or Wise, Revolut or N26, because they actually much more convenient, much more better, much more, let's say, agile compared to traditional banking system. And that was the case for me as well. So I needed to use Wise for some of the transactions, and I applied for the Wise roughly a year and a half ago, maybe even 2 years. And since then, I've been using it from time to time. Whenever I need to do a transaction, to make a transaction which is not possible or kind of expensive to do via traditional banking system. For example, when I need to wire money from my bank account to someone else's bank account, or when I need to pay invoice to a company for some services and this company located overseas. So in this case, traditional bank become really expensive, and if I use Wise, it just goes like 10 times cheaper, so and sometimes even faster and easier because you have this interface. And for those of you guys who is actually based outside of European Union or United States and Canada, you might experience those difficulties to transact with companies overseas, because this is kind of like common issue. And if you transact within European Union, usually commissions are not that high, but if you want to transact between European Union and the bank overseas, so in this case your commission is going up. I recently needed to wire 1,000 euros from one bank to another, from one country to another, and if I do it through traditional banking system, so in this case I will pay around 25 euros for transaction as a transaction fee, and then this transfer will take me around 2, 3, 4 working days to to be received on the other side. Where if I'm using Wise, so in this case I'm paying about €1 fee, just €1 fee for the 1,000 euros fee. So that's a simple difference, and that's where I think that Wise is just simply convenient and comfortable to use. And you have mobile apps, so basically within your iPhone you can install everything there, you can see everything in your hands, because again in many countries banking applications, they're not that much advanced. I can surely say it about European Union because in many banks you don't really often see really good mobile apps for mobile finance. So in this case, those kind of alternative solutions become much better, much more convenient, and for a small portion of for a really small fee, they deliver quite good results. So if you ever need to use it for anything, just keep in mind, consider it. I say that I would not advise it if I'm not using it myself, but it's all up to you. It's not financial advice, like here, not financial advice, just sharing my experience, and I hope it's going to be helpful. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.